Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. Good morning. So I'm on today with an incoming swap project share. This swap was hosted by Tamika, who is Tamika Sending Smiles on YouTube and on Instagram. So she hosted a stocking, like a stuffed stocking swap, and it was a one-on-one. So she assigned us partners, and my partner was Dawn. So thank you, Dawn, for swapping with me. And I received her package, and then it got misplaced in my house somewhere. That's why I didn't do this video earlier. I mean, I just got it last week, but with everything going on, like my swap boxes, the swap that I'm hosting, and just all the shopping that we've done over the weekend, it just kind of got lost in everything. But I found the package, and here it is. So I just wanted to share really quick what she sent. So let's see here. Let's start with this. These are outside. All right. So here's a cute little, this is like a fabric bag, like a linen bag with the cute, what is this, like an ice skater? She's so cute, and she put a felt snowflake on here with a button, and it's a pull string that you would close the bag like so, but she left it open. So let me share or show what's in here. And she stuffed this, so let me take everything out here. All right, so I'm gonna put this bag on the side. All right, so first, oops, some double mint gum. You can always use a pack of gum. So we have that. And here she used a foam board, and she made these cute deer embellishments. And what she did was she used these wooden deers, and she propped them on a couple snowflakes. I think the first snowflake is wood, and then this one is like a foam, like a glittered foam, and then she put the deer on top. Isn't that cute? I love that. Next here, again, she propped it on some foam board here, and she made these really pretty stars. I love the color. And then she used these pearl snowflakes as the center. And this is really nice. I love this color, and I like using this with pink and red for Christmas. Pink, red, white, and then with this teal color or light aqua. That's super cute. And then here, this is like an acetate pouch here. And in the pouch, it looks like she has this is her memory decks. So I think memory decks is one of the requirements. Uh-oh. This might be stuck. I hope not. Let me see. Sorry about that. I don't want to. All right, here we go. Okay, so I think this was on here. That's what it looks like. So I always have my handy dandy glue gun near so I can fix anything. But I don't know what's going on with my glue gun. You know, I just found this glue gun was on all night. When I came in here this morning, it's been on. So I wonder if it's not working because it's been on. Oh well. Anyway, I'll fix that, Dawn. But that's how it should look. Isn't that cute? So it's several different types of snowflakes, and here she used a flattened bottle cap. She put a image of Rudolph, and in here it says on the side here she has "Oh what fun," and it's a shaker. And this is, I believe, the KS Craft, their newer memory decks. So in here is where she gifted some snowflakes here. Look at the iridescent pink snowflakes. Aren't they cute? Thank you so much. Especially because I'm finishing up the last of my Christmas swaps and Merry Mail, so I can use all these, you know, supplies, which is nice. So thank you so much for this. This is so cute. And look at the cute paper she used with that cute snowman cup and the cupcakes. I love that. I'm going to keep this on the side because my glue gun, I don't know what's going on, but I will fix it. And here we have a bag. Oh, and look at how cute this is. So this is a nice chipboard tag here with a red ribbon bow cabochon. It says joy to the world with a cute nutcracker. She has a couple flowers there, and she used some threading in the back. The same threading as the top here, actually. Isn't that cute? I love that. So she sent that. And then here, this is, oh, okay, so this is a card. And here's a cute snowman. He's a chipboard snowman. There's a snowflake on the back. And then in here, it says, thank you for swapping with me. I hope you like everything. Merry Christmas, Dawn. Well, thank you, Dawn. Happy holidays to you too. And I hope you like what I sent you as well. I'm not sure if Dawn has a YouTube channel, but I will link her down below because I know she has a Instagram. So in here, it looks like some stickers or cut aparts here, like a candle, and there's some of those snowflakes from the memory decks. Here are some holly berries, some stickers. It says, have a blessed Christmas. There's a cute gingerbread boy. And here's some cute seal, like Christmas stickers. They can use as seals for, you know, to seal your envelopes. And here's a wax seal sticker. And more stickers here. That's a ornament. Good cheer. A couple more of those iridescent pink snowflakes. Here are some Christmas trees and a snowman with an ice cream cone on his head. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Thank you so much. So let me put this back in here. So we have a bunch of stickers in here. And then, all right. Let's put it like that. And then here, some sequins, pretty pinks, red, is that red? Pink, red, and purple, and like a burgundy, if you can see that. 1, 2, 3, 5 different colors, or 6 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, so 6 different colors. That is so cute. Thank you so much. And here we have a cute felt ornament. Isn't he cute? I love that. That's a cute Santa. I love the colors. And then here she used Santa's Sweet Shop. It looks like it's maybe it was a sticker or a cut apart. And she put some rickrack around the top. And in here there's a bunch of buttons. I love that. Thank you. I love using buttons in my projects. So that's awesome. Thank you so much. So here is the stocking. Let me push that to the side. Look at how cute this stocking is. Let me put it to the side because it's just not big enough to, the size of my mat is not big enough, but let's see here. There we go. Isn't he cute? It's a little, is it a mouse or a reindeer? It's just so cute. And it's holding like a Christmas tree. The cute scarf. And look at the sequin top. Isn't that pretty? The back is felt. I love it. It's darling. All right, so let's take a look and see what's inside. I'll just bring everything out. Let's see here. So here's a bunch of iridescent shred that she had stuffed at the bottom where the toe is, down here. And then here we have this cute snowman pen. That's super cute. And here are some candies, York peppermint patties and some candy canes. Here we have a set of reindeer bows. This is so cute. She made a set of 4. And look at that nice, what is this? Not like a rosette, but like an embellishment. It's another snowflake embellishment. And she used this trim here, like this nice pom-pom with a cute tree there. Isn't that cute? Thank you so much. And in here, again, the same type of embellishment there. And looks like there's a bunch of cut-aparts. Die cuts. Oh, okay, so here she taped the top so it opens like so. And then I can take everything out. So let's see here. And this is like an acetate packaging, how she did it. That's so neat. Okay, so these are die cuts here. So here's one, Season's Greetings. That's nice for a card front. I love that. Here's one that says Let It Snow. And look at all that paper piecing. Isn't that cute? Here's one that says Merry Christmas, and it's propped up on some foam. And here are some, this is a bow, and here's a star. Here's another star, and it's embossed. I love this color paper. Just trying to keep everything that's similar together. And here's another star that's embossed on the edges there, if you can see that. So those are really cute. I love that. Here it says, Oh, What Fun. And a Christmas tree with some gold ornaments and a gold star. And let's see here. Here are some snowflakes here. There's 3 snowflakes in all different sizes, like small, medium, and large. Layered snowflakes. Those are cute. They're like tags here. They're tags so you can hang them on, you know, your packaging. And here are some tags that she cut out. I really love this paper color. So 3 rounded top tags and 1 like a, you know, the normal squared top tag there. Well, at an angle. So I have 3 tags there. Looks like another card front to use for a card. That is so cute. And then these, let me just put them in my hand here. All right, so here are some hearts. Another one of those hearts that I showed earlier. Here's another bow. And here's another star with the bow on the top. Another heart. The word Noel. 2 Noels and these mini snowflakes here in different colors. That's so cute. Thank you so much. Those will definitely come to good use for sure. And then here's another bag, another ice skater. She's so cute. And in here, let's see. We have this Home for the Holidays note cards with envelopes. Okay, so she gave me a set of note cards. How nice are these? These cute gingerbread house note cards. Home for the Holidays. And it's a blank note card. So it comes in a pack of 8. It's an 8 count. That is so cute. Definitely going to use these this year. Thank you. Here are some wooden pieces here. You can color these in, use your pens, leave it as is. It's 9 different styles. Love that. Here's some Park Lane gems, gold stars. I love that. And here's a cute snowman. Oops, I kind of popped that out. So I guess it's, you can pop these out here. There you go. Look, here's a cute little snowman there. I'll keep those to the side. A felt snowman. I love that. That was in this bag here. Here are some vellum sheets of paper. I didn't know Crafty Square had vellum paper. I don't, maybe I haven't looked. I don't really look in the craft section all the time when I go to the Dollar Tree, but I probably should, because look at this. This is really pretty. And I love butterflies. I'm definitely going to use that. And last but not least is this box here. And she wrapped it, so I'm going to open it. Here she put Mary, and she has some trim. Okay, so I can take this off like that. So I can save that. And then let's open this up. Let me get my scissors here. Open this up. Oh, she really taped it well. Let's see here. There we go. All right. I love the wrapping paper. Okay, so here's the box. Oh, and look at this pokey tool. Oops, she taped it in to make sure it stayed. So let me just do that nicely. All right, there we go. Look at this pretty pokey tool. Look at all those pretty beads. And look at her dangle. And it says, always believe. That is so cute. And look at the charms hanging from it. A pretty little rose there, dainty rose. And this iridescent, like a teardrop bead. And here you have all the beads. And again, they go from big to small. So when you use it, you know, it fits in the hand better. It's more ergonomic. I love this. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. I love it. Thank you so much for everything. So that was everything. Again, this is a super cute stocking. Thank you, Tamika, for hosting this swap. This was super fun. I'm glad I joined. This is my first swap with Tamika, and she was a fabulous host. I definitely plan on, you know, joining more of her swaps. Hope you all have a great Monday, a great start to your week. I'll be back on later today with with another video, a reveal video to my Baking Spirits Bright group swap. So other than that, take care, y'all. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.